Hi, it's Pompa here. Today I'm going to be fitting mid-bottom bracket to my fixed gear bike frame. I made a DIY fitting tool just made out of a 10mm bar, 10mm bolts, some washers I brought that were 40mm with a 8mm hole. I had to cut a 12mm hole in it, drill it, both ends, just so you can push the bearings in without hammering them in to not to break the bearings. Close up of the tool I made. It's a 10mm bar with a 10mm nut on it, 40mm washer that I drilled a 12mm hole in, smaller washer in between, so when you tighten up the nut it doesn't spin the big washer. Didn't cost me much at all, like a couple of quid. It fits perfectly into the bottom bracket, so you're not going to hit the sides. So that's 40mm washer. It's a perfect match to the bearing, so it's equal pressure on the whole surface of the bearing instead of pushing the centre. With the tool that I made the bar long enough so I can fit the headset to. It's exactly the same size fit, perfect. Alright, because I haven't got a bike stand or anything to hold the frame, I'm just going to have to do it as it's laying down. What we're going to need, we've got a bit of Castrol grease, a bit of car grease. Just need that to put inside the bottom bracket, because you don't want to be pushing it in without any grease. It's a lot harder. Just one little bit in there. Bit of car grease is okay because it's not actually running on the bearings, it's just helping it to be pushed into the frame. On both sides. Just using a stick. Using a stick to push it in. Right, I have an adjustable spanner, 17mm wrench for the nuts. What I'm going to do is just place one bearing on this side. It's not going to go in because it needs a lot of pressure to push it in. Put the bar through the bottom bracket. Don't forget your spacer. Put that in. The other bearing on the other side. Then with the 40mm washer, then the smaller washer, and again the nut. Sort of line it up with the bearing. Put your adjustable on the back. Not adjustable, but 70mm. Then you wind in your bearing. It's going to move about a bit, but try and keep the washer centre of the bearing. One's going to go in first and then the other side will follow. Right, bearings are in, wound in. One side took a bit of effort to get in. I guess because it started going a bit wonk, so had to try and line it up each time, but it's in there, bottom bracket's in there, spaces in there, nice fit. Two sides. It's not the easiest thing to do, but it'll save you a bit of money and taking it to a shop for them to do it for you. So there's the bearings in the bottom bracket. Both sides.